Welcome back to the Money Mastery series. I'm going to show you today how to send money to someone using Cash App. So it's pretty easy to do so. All you have to do is enter the amount you want to send somebody. So I will just type in $5 and I will click on pay within the home page of your Cash App. So let me actually backtrack a little bit. You can see here there's the balance section, debit card section. So that middle button is the pay section. So you click on pay. So there's a few ways of doing this. You can actually put the CashTag ID there. You can put the phone number, email of the person you're going to send this to. I will just click on the suggested, which is the recent one there. I will click pay, and there you go. You can see that I sent $5. I click done. You can also see the activity in the bottom right button section there. And you can see all of your activity. You click on your activity and it says there that it has been sent. So make sure to subscribe, like, and comment on this video in order for you to get more money mastery content.